Very good morning to all of you, dear. So, today we are going to do our map work, that is word seaports and airports. In this way, I am going to give you total 15 points from the word in the way of North America, South America, Africa, Asian countries, European countries, and Australia. So from these, I am giving you 15 points, and the way we have done in the previous time for completing the map work, like the number, specific number we are giving, and that specific number we are putting over here in the different places so that the map should be clearly visible and you should also come to know how to complete or how to fill your index. So first of all, we will be going to proceed with नॉर्थ अमेरिका. नॉर्थ अमेरिका में फर्स्ट नंबर पर हमें करना है सैन फ्रांसिस्को. ठीक है, is it visible? No, I hope it's not visible. Right, now it will be visible. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Sorry for inconvenience. Is it visible now? So first is San Francisco, second is New York, third is Los Angeles, fourth is Mexico. Okay, so all these 4 points are from North America. I will locate these afterward after writing all these points. Then fifth point is Rio de Janeiro. Fine. Then sixth is Santiago. Fine. Then these 6 points are related to North America and South America. Fine. So first 4 points to hand, they are from North America, and fifth and sixth point are from South America. Is it clear? So from North America, first point, as we have written San Francisco, it is from the western part of North America. That is here. I am going to go here. This we will write number 1. Is it visible? Number 1 San Francisco. Number 2 हम इसके साथ ही यहाँ पर मार्क कर देंगे. आप देखिए अपने मैप के अंदर 23.5 ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर है, उसके नीचे आपने 20 डिग्री इमेजिनरी लाइन जो है उसके साथ आपने यहाँ पर मार्क करना है नंबर 1 एंड नंबर 2. पॉइंट इज क्लियर? So number 1 is our San Francisco, number 2 is New York, number 3 उसके बिल्कुल नीचे, 1 के बिल्कुल नीचे number 3 मार्क करेंगे, that is Los Angeles. Is it okay? And number 4 जो है वो हम यहाँ पर आपको एक ऐसा एरो सा दिख रहा है, उसके बिल्कुल सेंटर के अंदर हम मार्क करेंगे नंबर 4. मैंने बड़ा इसलिए बना दिया so that it should be visible to you. So number 1 San Francisco, number 2 New York, number 3 Los Angeles, number 4 Mexico. These are the 4 major sea and airports which are there in North America. If you want to see, you can open your geography book from page number 53. You can open your book, page number 53 from your geography, then you can come to know that these points are located in that section. And you can mark accordingly. So number 5, we have Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro is in Brazil, that is in South America. आप यहाँ पर mark करेंगे उसको here. आप इधर एंगल्स के पास मार्क करेंगे यहाँ पर. सो यहाँ पर आ गया आपका रियो द जेनेरियो. This is a reason why I am avoiding to write the name, complete name on the map, because map पे फिर बच्चे ना वहीं पर ही बना देते हैं. So I am preferring to write only the number so that the number is showing that this number is according to Rio de Janeiro and 6th number is Santiago. Now next proceed, we will go with 7th number. I hope 6th number is clear. Up to 6th number it is clear. Number 1,
Yes,
San
ma'am.
Francisco.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Number
ma'am.
2, New York. Number 3,
Yes, sir.
Los Angeles. Number 4, Mexico. These are the 4 areas which we have to do from North America. Then from South America, we have to do 2 points, number 5 and number 6. That is Rio de Janeiro and number 6 is Santiago. After this, number 7, that is in अफ्रीका. अब यहाँ पर देखो अफ्रीका यहीं पर दिख रहा है, so यहीं पर मैं आपको मार्क करने लगी हूँ नंबर 7 and number 8 कट्ठा कट्ठा है. This is 7th number is Cape Town. Fine, Cape Town and number 8 is Durban. Number 7 is Cape Town and number 8 is Durban. I had marked over here number 7 Cape Town and number 8 is Durban. Is it visible? So I will proceed again from number 1, San Francisco, New York, then is Los Angeles and Mexico, then Rio de Janeiro, then Santiago, then Cape Town and Durban. So 4, 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Up to 8 is clear as we have to complete 15 points proper from the whole India. Sorry, from the whole world, not from India. From India we will do 2. So 8th number is Durban. Then 9th number we will go, that is Dubai. So for Dubai, you have to mark over here 9th number. Is it okay? मैंने थोड़ा big बनाया है so that it should be visible. That is Dubai. Then 10th number, it is in Europe. That is Frankfurt. 10th number is Frankfurt. I hope it is visible. I tilt my screen. Frankfurt is in European country. It is visible from here. यहाँ पर देखिए यूरोप के अंदर फ्रांस की टेरिटरी के साथ यहाँ पर हमने बनाना है 10th नंबर. मैं थोड़ा बिग बना रही हूँ so that it should be visible. Got it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Frankfurt. 10th number is of Frankfurt. 9th number is Dubai. 8th number is Durban. 7th is Cape Town. So Cape Town, Durban, Dubai and Frankfurt. These are the 4 points which we have to do from Africa as well as from European country. Then 11th number we have to go with Asian country. Asia में हमने India के 2 point करने हैं. 11th number will be Mumbai and 12th number will be Chennai. Is it okay? So 11th, just wait.
Ma'am.
Right. So 11th number we will be going to complete. That is Mumbai. 12th number is Chennai. Fine. 13th will be, 13th यहाँ नहीं आएगा. I'll shift to another side. 13th number will be our Singapore. 14th will be, यहाँ visible है. 13th is Singapore.
Yes, ma'am.
14th will be our सिडनी, ठीक है, एंड 15th इज योर हांगकांग. So 13th, 14th and 15th. I hope these are visible. So all the 15 points are there. After this, we will be going to complete and locate these things on the map.
Yes.
So 10th number we have done Frankfurt, 11th number is Mumbai, that we have to write here. यहाँ पर मैंने big सा डाल दिया so that it should be visible. Then 12th number is Chennai, जो हमने यहाँ डाल दिया. आपको पता है चेन्नई कहाँ पर है, ठीक है. So 11th and 12th will be your in India. 13th number जो है that is our Singapore. Singapore हमें यहाँ पर एक बेल्ट दिख रही है, यहाँ पर हमने 13th नंबर डाल देना है. Fine. छोटा सा 13th number. Then 14th number is your Sydney, eastern side of our Australia. इधर वाली साइड पर हमने करना है 14th number. And 15th number Hong Kong हमने यहाँ करना है. Is it okay? So all these 15 points we have to do it on our map and completely 5 times we have to repeat these maps for the practice, and after getting signature from your parents, send it to me. 13, 14 and 15, that is our Singapore, Sydney and Hong Kong. ये हमने पूरे points जो हैं learn करने हैं. So 4 ports in North America, that is San Francisco, Los Angeles, ठीक है. उसके बाद कौन कौन सा है, मैक्सिको एंड न्यूयॉर्क, चारों हो गए. देन साउथ अमेरिका में है रियो द जेनेरियो एंड सैंटियागो. देन साउथ अफ्रीका में हमारे 2 पॉइंट हैं, वन इज केप टाउन, अनदर इज डर्बन. देन दुबई, देन फ्रैंकफर्ट. ये हमारे ऊपर ऊपर चलते गए, हम यूरोपियन साइड पर. देन हम एशियन कंट्रीज में आए, मुंबई एंड चेन्नई. After Mumbai and Chennai, we are going to go with Singapore, Sydney and Hong Kong. Is it okay? So all these 15 points you have to remember, you have to learn, you have to revise, because these map from PT3, one is world map, another we have India's tribal community map. So for India's tribal community map from history, that for that tomorrow you have to make sure that you should be ready with your map work. Map अपना India का political map अपना लेके रखना. By tomorrow we will be going to complete that. Is it okay? And in PT3 exam, your first term map, your second term map, included with your third term map, all 3 map work will be there, except the map which we have done previous week. That was the activity only, so that will not be included. Is it okay? ट्राइबल जो हमने पिछले वीक में किया था, ओल्ड सिटी वो हमारा नहीं आएगा. हिस्ट्री का मैप हमने ओल्ड सिटी किया था, वो नहीं आएगा, लेकिन ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज जो है वो मैप आएगा. Is it okay?